Welcome, welcome, welcome to your Queen's Kitchen. I am cooking some ackee and saltfish seasoned rice, and I'm gonna cook it in my rice cooker. So in here, I have my rice in my rice cooker already. It's washed, and I have some water in there. Hey, the Royal General. So that's the rice in the rice cooker, and I'm going to show you which one of the rice I am using. You can use any rice, but your queen is trying to keep it healthy. So I'm using this rice. It's brown rice, I don't know if you can see. Hello, Mama Glow Up. Very, very healthy and nice. Brown rice. You can use any brown rice or any rice of your choice. But I'm keeping it healthy for the summer. So as I said, I already have my rice washed, and I'm doing this in my rice cooker. If you don't have a rice cooker, you can do it on your stove top. In here, I have my callaloo, and I already washed my callaloo as well. As you can see the water here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to add my callaloo. And this is fresh callaloo that I cut up. So it's not callaloo in the tin, but you can also use the callaloo in the tin. You can also use the callaloo in the tin. And also I have my ackee. This is the ackee in the tin though. So I also wash the ackee because I don't trust anything that is in the tin. I always try to wash them. And I'm using the Montego Bay ackee. You can use any ackee of your choice. If you have fresh ackee, you can use that. Thanks, the Royal General. And also I have my saltfish. This is boned. Let me just wash my hands. The callaloo. So there's no bone in this, but if you don't have the boned saltfish, you can just boil this because I already boiled this twice to get rid of some of the salt. So you just want to boil this and take out as much of the bone as you can. So I'm going to also add the Jamaican Canadian family. How are you? I'm just going to add the saltfish as well to the pot. So this is basically like a one pot seasoned rice. If you're not using the rice cooker, make sure you're using like a thick, nice Dutch pot because you don't want and put it on low. Put it on low heat because your rice does not need a lot of heat underneath the pot. And now we're gonna go in and we're gonna season. So here I have some beautiful seasoning. I have garlic that I chopped. I have green onion, fresh thyme, some bell pepper, and my tomatoes. So as you can see, I didn't cut up my green onion, I just crushed them. So I'm using 2 stalks of green onion, a piece of thyme, my chopped garlic, and I have like 4 cloves of garlic. I love garlic, but if you don't like garlic, you don't have to use any, or you can just use less. But I love garlic, so I'm going in with the garlic and also my bell pepper and my tomatoes, and I have 1 large tomato. And I can use any onion of your choice. If I don't have green onion, you can use the purple onion or you can use some scallion. Of course, also we're gonna need seasoning apart from our earth ground seasoning. So I'm gonna do something different and I'm going to go ahead and add my my noodle. If you want to keep this vegetarian or vegan friendly, you don't have to use a chicken noodle. You can use like the vegetable noodle. Or if you eat fish, you can add the fish noodle. So I'm adding 1 pack. And I'm not adding any salt to this because the noodle have a lot of salt, have a lot of sodium, and also the seasoning that I am going to be using. So here I have my oregano, and I'm going to add like 2 teaspoons of the oregano. My ancestors are guiding me. So I have my all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going in also with about half tablespoon, because that's all I'm using in regarding to powdered seasoning. Garlic pepper powder, just put like 1 teaspoon in here just to spice it up. And last but not least, we're gonna add some butter. You can use olive oil if you don't want to add butter and you want to keep it a little bit healthy. If you want to keep it on the healthy side, you can add some olive oil. So I'm going in with the butter. And we're just gonna mix this nicely together. Everything nice down in there. Yeah. I'm gonna make you see in the pot. So the pot already look good and it not even cook. It not even start cook. A so pot for look. Yeah. So pot for look. So what I doing at the Saturday, what y'all up to? What you all doing? Oh, how can I leave out my Scotch bonnet pepper? How can I? The pepper is optional. I'm going to add one. If you have green pepper, the green pepper gives the rice more flavor because you want more flavor than heat. But if I don't have a green pepper, which I think I don't have, I do. Where are they? This the standing fridge? Okay, so I'm gonna just go grab a green pepper. Because as I said, the green pepper gives the rice more flavor because you need more flavor than heat. And if you love vegetable like I do, you can add some mixed vegetable. But I just see my pot full up already. So, hey Sheppy, just don't eat some curry chicken with white rice and salad. What? This is actually my dinner. So one, make sure it's everything nicely um mix up in a that. And your pepper on top. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, I'm making a sit down in the pot before I actually cover it down. So this is what the pot is looking like. It might look away, but it's seasoned rice. I mean, you ever see it come out good, good, good. It'll come out good, 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 good when it don't cook. Because it's a one pot. So when it cook, you ever see the goodness. If you can relate to this one pot meal, let me know. It's just a nice, quick, easy. I would say you can do this by a stove top. Um, the butter on my pot, my butter hands. So I'm gonna put this on white rice, even though I am doing whole grain because it's seasoned rice and I don't want it to cook too long. So white rice is normally 45 minutes in my rice cooker, as you can see. See, so I have it on white rice 45 minutes. So that was quick and easy. Remember, for boil out the saltfish, boil out some of the salt out of the saltfish. So we're counting down to this delicious meal. Let's watch the time. I don't know if you guys gonna stay with me for 45 minutes. I mean, but if you want to, I'll really appreciate it. If you want to see the final result of my seasoned rice, and this is, I can let me go over the ingredients that I used again. So I use this brown rice because I'm keeping it healthy. See the grains? That's what the grains of the rice look like. So I'm keeping it healthy, so I use that one. And this of 45 grams, like per quarter cup of this, I have 160 calories. So And the carbohydrate in this is 34 grams. And I'm saying per the serving, which is quarter cup. Zero sugar, 2 grams of fiber. Fiber good for your females. No cholesterol. And I did use one chicken noodle. But if you not want to use a chicken noodle, you can use, yes, health is wealth. Of course, you have to keep yourself nice and healthy, Sheppy. So if you don't want to use a chicken noodle, you want to keep this vegan, vegetarian friendly, you can use your vegetable noodle soup mix, or you can use fish if you eat fish. I went in with my garlic pepper and I use about a teaspoon. And this is basically garlic powder with some herbs and black pepper. I also went in with, hey, Lorna Simit, thank you. Good night, Sheppy. How are you? Thank you for coming. I used some oregano flakes and I went in with a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning and some butter. The butter is optional as well. You can use olive oil if you don't want to use the butter. I add a pepper. I added my ackee and I used the Montego Bay tin ackee. I cut up some callaloo and I used the callaloo. If you don't have fresh callaloo, you can use the one in the tin, but make sure you wash it because I have a horror story about the callaloo in the tin. So all I can say, wash your callaloo if you're using the one in the tin. And I also wash my ackee in the tin with just put it in a strainer and wash it. So basically that's it. And I put some vegetables like bell pepper, some seasoning. I use thyme and green onion, and I use a tomato. You can use any onion of your choice. You don't have to use the green onion. You can use any onion of your choice. Hey, Lorna, I'm just cooking some, like a one pot meal. Your to go, your go to food when you're hungry. When you're hungry, you just want something quicker and delicious. Even though it's quick, you still want it to taste good. So, like, Caesar rice are always my thing. Share the Callaloo story with us now. Okay, Sheppy. So, okay, let me share the Arrow story with you. I didn't want to traumatize none of you all, but I'm gonna share it since Sheppy asked for it. So, Nanga tell no lie. Me never used to wash the Callaloo. Once upon a time, when I used to use the tin Callaloo, cause me I say no the tin, it kind of them kind of wash it and burn and stuff and whatever they have to do with it already. So me I say it's healthy and nice and delicious from the tin as it is. So I never used to wash it. But while I start washing my Callaloo, when I open that tin of Callaloo, strain off the water, and pour it in a plate. And guess what was in it? A beetle. A nice big size bug was in the Callaloo. So that kind of traumatized me. Make me don't want to use no tin Callaloo anymore, but I still do use it because I love Callaloo. And if I can't get the fresh one, I'm going to use the one in the tin. But ever since then, I put it out in a one strainer. I'm going wash it carefully. Wash it, me kind of pick through it to see if me I find, yes, Lorna. So me kind of pick through it to see if me I find any bugs or any worm or whatever in the color. The beetle was dead, of course, because it locked up in the tin. Yes, yes, Sheppy. So, but yeah. So that's why I'm advising whenever time when I use nothing in the tin, like if it can't wash, please wash it. If it can wash it. Trust me, because these factories like mass production and not everybody gonna be clean. Probably I just want one bug to fly around and drop in that tin. I don't know, but try and see if you can wash all of the stuff them wanna use out of the tin. I wish I didn't see it, but then sometimes you have to see certain things so you can prevent yourself. So I'm kind of glad in a way that I did see or saw what was in there. Oops, sorry. So we have 39 more minutes to go for our rice. to finish cooking. Guys, I bleach out my hair. Let me turn around the camera and see if you can see me. Tell me if you guys like it. So I did it today and I did it myself, of course. Let me know if you guys like it. It's kind of dry now because I just wash it and stuff. So basically this is what it is looking like. This is not an ear tutorial. This is just your queen asking you if you wanna like me ear. Kind of dry as I say, cause I wash it and I'm just ear drying it. My God, they tell me may have to look good next time I open a can. Yes, Lorna, please do. Please open the can, wash your Callaloo, and actually look through it because what happened with me, that's why I make Jamaican Canadian family so beautiful. Thank you. I kind of look through it now just to make sure that there's nothing in there. Yeah, so I bleached out my hair today and I did it myself. I did it myself. I didn't do the roots. I left my roots dark. That's why I stopped eating steamed veggies from the Chinese restaurant. Found a dead stinky. Ooh, really? Because I'm telling like, okay, so even the frozen vegetables, like the frozen vegetables, like I used to like I'm saying, I'm not gonna lie. The frozen vegetables, I used to like take them out of the fridge and use them because I said them nice to wash and in the bag, prepared nicely. And ever since like me tell her the incident that happened with the color, me wash everything. That was back in Jamaica though. Really? Wow. Yes, I'ma wash everything now when me I use it. Like everything. Everything we can wash. When that thing look like it's supposed to wash, me wash it. So yeah, just washing the stuff. Make sure so now I wash them because when I encounter, I don't want to go through that again. Yes, I did throw away the tin of Callaloo because there was a bug and me did traumatized. So obviously, me not gonna eat that again. But I did use canned Callaloo after that. Hit the thumbs up as you come in. Thank you, Sheppy. Lorna said, "Me like your hair color." Thank you. I did it myself today. Actually, it was pretty easy to do. I always do my own hair. Like this kind of saved me like at least I think $80 at the salon. I don't know because as I'm saying, I don't really go to the salon to do my hair, so I don't really know prices and stuff. I always do my own hair, but I think it's about $80. Yeah. Remember to follow me on Instagram. It's Jamaica underscore recipe queen. Go search up me and follow me on Instagram and also on Facebook. You have Shugs World Cooking on Facebook. Like up the page. Also, also remember to leave a comment for yes. Also remember to leave a comment so when I'm going through the live, after I'm going through the live, I can thank you guys. And I have a new channel called The Haley TV. If you look on my main channel, you'll see that channel. You can just click on that one. I featured the channel on my main channel. Big up from New York. Thank you. So go over to the Haley TV after the live and please subscribe to that channel. It's a new channel. I have like probably 5 videos already. I want to make sure that I have at least 1,000 subscribers before I start. Thank you, Sheppy. There, Sheppy put my link. So I think it's Jamaican underscore recipe queen. It's not Jamaican underscore recipe underscore queen. It's Jamaican underscore recipe queen. So the Haley TV, I'm gonna have some amazing healthy contents over there. Not much cooking, but it's gonna be more like healthy lifestyle, like stuff to put in your hair, like weight loss stuff, like enough juices and stuff like that. So that's what I'll be doing over there. And so go over there, like when I'm a video, watch when I'm a video, and comment, the routine and subscribe to that channel. When I get my 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna start uploading contents on a daily basis or at least 3 times per week over on that channel as well. But I need the subscribers, guys, before I start uploading all of my videos because I don't want my watch hours to go to waste. And if you don't join my membership, I have some very, very, very small $1.99, $2.99, and $3. Thank you, Sheppy. And $3.99 membership. So if you join my membership,